Good morning, students. Till now, we have discussed about the meaning and scope of e-business. After that, we are now going to discuss about the benefit of e-business. What are the benefits which e-business is providing to us? So, first benefit is easy to form and lower investment is required. It is easy to start e-business. The benefit of e-business technology are that with little investment and more contacts one can do better in business. We know it very well that e-business, we are doing e-business through internet, so there is no need to have a large amount of capital. Through a very little capital we can start our business, because we have to take the con we have to take the order through internet, and after that we have to supply. For example, if we understand it through an example, so if we want to sell mobile phone traditionally, then we need to hire a shop, display various mobile and spend a lot of attract customer so that they visit your our shop. On the other hand, if we want if we are doing e-business, then we have to just set up a website, display various picture of mobile, and the customer visit the website and place order. On comparing, we can see that latter is fast and involve less investment. Second one is convenience. With the help of e-business, shopping can be done conveniently sitting at home. Millions of people exchange information in the world through commerce. We know it very well that if we are doing a business, then no need to go anywhere. We can shop or we can give order sitting at the home. Speed through internet, sorry, through e-business, information can be exchanged and buying and selling can be done just with the click of a mouse. This benefit is more in case of product like softwares, movies, music, books, etc. Through electric fund transfer, even money is defined as electronic pulse at a speed of light. Yes. So through electronic business, we can speed up the transaction also. Then global reach, you know it very well. Today is the world of globalization. So through globalization, we can reach anywhere in the world through internet. If we want to contact the American man, then we can contact through internet. So through e-business, there is no limit of shopping. After that, cost saving. Trading through e-business is more economical as compared to other trading, because in e-commerce the businessmen are not required to own a showroom for display of their goods. No middlemen are required. There is a direct sale, as generally manufacturers set up their website for direct sale to customers. Cost involved in advertisement is saved. Cost involved in carrying the product for display purpose is also saved. तो बेटा ई बिजनेस के थ्रू हम बहुत सारी कॉस्ट सेव कर सकते हैं. देर इज नो नीड टू ओन अ शोरूम. शोरूम की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. सेकेंड वन, वी कैन एलिमिनेट मिडलमैन. मिडलमैन, यू नो इट वेरी वेल. होलसेलर, रिटेलर, we can eliminate both of these two middlemen. So it is very cost saving. There is no need to spend on the advertisement, so it is very cost saving. After that, movement towards a paperless society. ठीक है, अभी जो हम लोग बोल रहे हैं डिजिटल इंडिया, पेपरलेस इंडिया का जो कॉन्सेप्ट चल रहा है, ठीक है, दैट इज पॉसिबल ओनली थ्रू ई बिजनेस। यदि हम लोग ई बिजनेस कर रहे हैं देन देयर इज नो नीड टू हैव अ पेपर वर्क। So use of internet has reduced the dependence of on paperwork and red tape. Many companies have started electronic forms instead of paper form. In electronic form, the information can be given online through internet and can be processed much faster. Nowadays, people can file even their income tax online, apply for passport online, etc. ठीक है, so through e-business we can achieve our dream of digital India. So these are some benefit of e-commerce or e-business. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you so much.